Okay, so from what I'm hearing outside, it's getting worse. I would prefer to be out here if the hail starts so I can capture some. Oh, look what just came up on the screen. Severe. I do not believe what I just did. It's raining so hard right now, but I went inside to get something to eat and drink because it's now maybe 2 o'clock or so, it's not later. I'm not quite sure what the time is, but I haven't broken my fast yet. I just had a cup of tea. So I went to get something to eat to take back to the greenhouse. And it started raining so heavily. I told my son, I'm going to run through the rain. I don't care. I want to come back here. And then he said to me, but it's raining so heavily though. And I said, that's okay. And I started scampering with my computer and my phone and a box of coconut water. My coconut water fell. And I had to pick it up and I kept running. So now I'm in the greenhouse, guys. Welcome to the greenhouse. Welcome to the Petal Place property. The Country Life Video Journal. If you've never been here before, it's your first time here, thank you so much for being here. My name is Peaches. Wow, look at that. Now earlier on, the thunder was happening, but there was no lightning. I just saw a huge flash of lightning. So that's why I just pulled the camera indoors. So now I am indoors. They say we may be getting hail. I don't know, but with glass all around me here, I think it's the best place. And you see that look on my face because I'm looking at my plants and my unfinished eavesdrop that my husband was working on yesterday but didn't get to do much because he didn't have much time. And luckily I have put something. Let me show you what I'm talking. Oh, where can I see it from? From right here. Okay guys, follow my finger. At the end of my finger there, I put a metal sheet right there. The water is coming down on it. And if I didn't put it there, although it looks like it's not lined up properly, so I may just run out there and line it up. But then there's another one by the blue rain barrel or water barrel there. Wow, it's starting to get pretty windy too. And yeah, my poor plants, I'm running out there to move that one. It's not lined up properly. I can't afford to work so hard and then allow the rain to dig out my stuff. Now that's better. It's lined up more evenly now. So, wow. I'm looking forward to the day when these eavesdrops are done, man. Yeah, so that's what's happening outside now, guys. It's raining, it's thundering. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Oh, more lightning and more wind. Woo. I have the greenhouse door open and the rain's coming in a bit, but that's okay. Guys, I am so happy that I got the chance to go around and apply the plant food before the rain started. good stuff will seep down into the soil and the roots will just soak them up. I'm just looking at another weak spot at the eaves trough where I actually put a metal drawer, and so it's helping. Now, I think I'm going to close the door. Yeah, there's a little bit too much water coming in. Do I sound like a kid in a candy store? Maybe I do, but yeah, that is how it feels when it's raining, especially when I'm in my greenhouse and I can see right around me because there's glass all around. Check that out. I can see right around. Maybe I should take you guys up into the loft so you can see from upstairs. Let's go take a look. Okay guys, I was just grabbing a bite. So now, let's go upstairs. To the loft, to the loft, to the loft. Okay, so it's dark up here. So I don't have light. And it's raining, right? But yeah, that's what my loft looks like. Here's my little cot. Okay, that's through the front there. And then, that's the other side. I can see my garden. Mark, I have to be lying down to be able to see it from this side. But that's okay. I have my little table in the corner there that you can hardly see because it's so dark now because of the rain. And then on this side, you can see the rest of the garden there, and beyond the garden, you can see, there you go, the other side of the garden. This is the north side, and beyond the garden there, you can see the pumpkin patch right into the pond place, and that one arbor over to your left. I will be putting another one to your right over here, where the swing is. But yeah, that's my view. The side I just showed you was the south before, and this is the north, and at the front is the west. And then cute little window that I can see through into my neighbor's forest, and my bird feeder right there that I hung up there so that I can see birds when I'm up here. But believe me, I haven't even had the chance to put feed in it because I've been so busy running around. I'm hoping that towards the end of summer I will get some more time that I can just relax and putter here and there instead of just working tirelessly. And then I'll be able to watch the birds, feed the birds and watch the birds. Although out here in cottage country, we say bird feeders are bear feeders, but we don't see bears around here really. I've seen bear only once in the 9 years that we have been here. The one thing I'm happy for up in this space is that I have been able to lock the little mice out. So now my bed can stay rat poo free. So I'm pretty comfortable to lie down when I come up here. On a different day when it's not so dark, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the greenhouse. And if you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you want to know. Okay, now we're gonna go back down. Literally, the camera is going down. Okay, here is my ladder stairs. It's like a ladder, eh? And I will show you what my hubby has done to make sure I am safe when I'm climbing up and coming down without the camera, that is. When I have the camera, I have one hand, but look at that. We have installed handles on the sides so that I can hold on when I'm going up, and one in front here that I can hold on to that too when I'm coming down if I need to. So as you can see, guys, I am back downstairs. I'm gonna sit here and get some editing done, and I was hoping for some hail, but I haven't seen any hail yet. But I'll just go for a brief pause so I can have some lunch, and I will see you guys later.